Last days in Lima. I go to the neighborhood of Barranco to meet my collaborator and file a mandatory export permit for my samples. The weather is beautiful as I walk along the ocean. I cross a small park where photographers meet musicians by a colorful church. This park is famous because of the Puente de los Suspiros, or Bridge of Sighs. The tradition says that one should make a wish that will become true if the wisher manages to hold their breath while crossing the bridge. Let's do it together. We will see how it went on my next trip to Madre Selva. A few steps further, I discovered the largest ant I ever saw. Not having to collect samples of this species is a relief. I arrive at my collaborator's office. Unfortunately, administrative issues prevent us from getting the permits this time. I leave my samples in Lima, knowing that it's not cancelled but only postponed until the next trip in September. I thus decide to treat my disappointment with a comfort meal. Interestingly, the restaurant is right next to the pre-Incan pyramid of Huacapuquiana. This site was an important ceremonial center and dates back to the 3rd century. Although situated in the center of Lima, it was rediscovered in the middle of the 20th century and has been restored and studied since then. Several hours and a long flight later, I am back at Harvard University. My office is at the Museum of Comparative Zoology. In a few months, I will use the lab facilities to conduct genetic analysis on my samples. But for now, I store my equipment in my desk and I focus on analyzing the data that I collected. Very soon, I will be back in Peru to visit more scientific stations, collect more samples, take care of my plants, and discover more and more about the legendary Devil's Gardens. Thank you for following my adventures. Stay tuned.